Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I help you pay off your debt with the money you save using simple digital coupons. I have the absolute best $16 challenge today. We're going to be grabbing almost $80 worth of personal care products and toilet paper using only our phone, stacking our deals, and I'm going to walk you through step by step in this video exactly how to do these deals. So for all my weekly coupon breakdowns to 5 different stores, I write out all the breakdowns for you. You're also going to get the $16 challenge for today. That'll be linked below for you guys in the description box, my weekly coupon breakdowns. So you'll get access to my Google Drive, which I update every single week for deals for CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Publix, and Dollar General scenarios. There's also a bunch more details in the description for you guys, as well as the link to the new P&G rebate. We have a new one for back to school. They have spend 20, get 5, spend 50, get 15, or spend 75, get 25. So if you're new to the P&G program, it's completely free to sign up. That'll be linked below. Not only do they offer digital coupons, printable coupons, they also have a rewards program where you can submit your receipt, earn points, exchange those points for gift cards, and they also have Visa gift cards, like physical Visa gift cards that they will send you in the mail when you complete those. So you can just click the 3 lines, click rebates, and it'll be right there for you. So let's head inside and take advantage of some incredible deals this week. So we're gonna start with deals in our first transaction. First deal is gonna be on Degree deodorant. These are buy one, get one half off, buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app. There's also a Fetch Rewards offer for spend 10, get $1.50 back, but that tracks after coupons and after extra bucks are used at checkout, but it will at least start tracking towards that. So grabbing 2 of these, I'm gonna pay $5.98. Or no, that's not true, sorry. I'm gonna pay $5.68, get back a $3 extra buck, makes them $1.34 a piece. Next, we have an easy freebie that anybody can do on Crest. We're gonna grab 2 of these. They are $3.99 on sale. Buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. We have a $2 off 1 digital coupon on the CVS app. Then on the Coupons 24 app, which is free to download, we have a $2 digital coupon as well, so activate that. You'll pay $3.98, get back a $4 extra buck, makes them both completely free. Just kidding, we're taking it a step further, and now we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back. The limit is 1, makes them both free, and a $2 moneymaker. Next deal we're grabbing is on the Colgate. So we're gonna get these that are $5.99 each. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. And we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5.98, get back the $5 extra buck, makes them only 50 cents a piece. We're also grabbing some Crest mouthwash this week. So select varieties. This huge one, 1 liter, is on sale for $4.99. Buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. Click the $1 off 1 digital coupon. You'll pay $3.99, get back the $2 extra buck, makes it just $1.99. Keep in mind though, this is in our $16 challenge. So let's go over our first transaction. So at checkout, you're gonna type in your phone number, hand these products to the cashier, and they're gonna scan the coupon from the Coupons 24 app. There's a barcode for the Crest. Then they're gonna hit total, and the rest of the digital coupons will come off, leaving you to pay about $19.63 plus taxes out of pocket. And we're gonna earn $14 back in extra bucks. They'll print on the bottom of your receipt. So we're gonna then use those in our second transaction. Now I know what you're thinking, but Brie, it's a $16 challenge. Why am I paying almost $20 out of pocket? That's because we are earning a lot of cash back today in the other transaction. So let's go take a look at those deals. Next deal we're grabbing is on Nivea Men's Body Wash. This is an amazing deal. They're $5.99 this week, and buy 2, get a $7 extra buck. Plus, we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon in the CVS app, and we're gonna be able to submit to checkout 51 for $2 cash back on the second product. So you're gonna wind up paying, let me see, $10.98, earning back the $7 extra buck and $2 cash back, makes it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents a piece. Perfect stock up price. Next deal my store no longer carries, but what we're gonna do is the Tylenol Precise deal for buy 1, get a $3 extra buck. You're looking for the Tylenol Precise patch, the 2 count, which should be about $6.99. And we have a $3.50 digital coupon. So you'll pay $3.49, get back a $3 extra buck, makes it 49 cents. So this is your second transaction, including the Tylenol Precision patches. Total is $18.97. You're gonna type in your phone number, you're gonna hand the cashier the 3 products plus all the extra bucks you just earned in your first transaction. They're gonna scan them, and your digital coupons will come off as well. You're gonna pay 47 cents plus taxes out of pocket. You're gonna earn back $10 worth of extra bucks, and we're taking that receipt and submitting to checkout 51 for $2 cash back. Next deal we're grabbing is on CoverGirl, which may be a moneymaker for you depending on the pricing at your store. If it's $7.79, it'll be a moneymaker. My store, unfortunately, is $8.29, so it's gonna be about 58 cents. These are buy two, get a $6 extra buck. You wanna grab the purple professional mascara. Do not grab the blue, it's not working with the digital coupons. We have a $4 store coupon and a $2 manufacturer coupon that we're gonna use. We'll pay $10.56 out of pocket, earn back a $6 extra buck, then submit to checkout 51 for $2 cash back, and submit to swag bucks for $2 cash back. Makes your final cost 58 cents for two of them. Here is your third transaction. You're just giving them the CoverGirl. You would pay $10.56 out of pocket, but we have $10 in extra bucks from our second transaction. So you're giving that to the cashier. Now you're paying only 56 cents out of pocket. You're still earning $4 cash back, $2 from checkout 51 and $2 from swag bucks, plus the $6 extra buck is printing on your receipt. We're gonna use that in our final transaction. For your final transaction, there's a ton of different variations that you can do depending on what product you actually need. So if you need toilet paper and you like Charmin, just grab one of these. They're $9.99 on sale. We have a $1 off one digital coupon, plus you're using the $6 in extra bucks. So you're gonna wind up paying $2.99 out of pocket for this product. Another option you can do instead if you need laundry products is you can grab one of the Tide. If you grab the pods, for example, there is a $3 digital coupon. You would pay $9.99 out of pocket, but you have the $6 in extra bucks. Now your final cost is only $3.99 plus taxes. So this is everything we grabbed, including that Tylenol Precise patch. You grabbed $79.17 worth of products out of pocket for all 4 transactions. You would have paid $23.67 plus taxes. But then you earned a total of $8 cash back from Ibotta, Swag Bucks, and Checkout 51. That makes your final cash cost $15.67 plus taxes for all of these products. All right, mamas, if you want to stock up on diapers, we have a great deal on Huggies. You can grab them for $7 per bag, much better than paying $10 per bag at Walmart. So I'm gonna do the Huggies Snug and Dry. You can do little movers, you can do little snugglers, or you can do the pull-ups, This week, they're 2 for $22. Spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. We also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $19 out of pocket, or you can always pay with extra bucks like you saw in our $16 challenge. Then you'll earn back the $5 extra buck, makes it $19 for 2 bags, makes it $14 for 2 bags, or just $7 a piece, which is a great stock up price. Next deal we're doing has a ton of different products included. If you get access to my done for you deals, I'll link that below for you guys in the description box. There's a couple different scenarios, so pick whatever scenario works best for you based on the product that you actually use. My son swims almost every single day. We have a pool at the house, so we need more splashers for sure. So this is the way that I'm gonna do it. When you spend $25 on select products, you'll get an $8 extra buck. I'm gonna grab one of the splashers. On the Coupons 24 app, we have a $2 off one digital coupon, so clip that. Next product we're grabbing is Dawn dish soap. I need more, and this is my preferred dish soap, so I'm gonna grab this one for $5.99 on sale. We have a $1 off one digital coupon in the CVS app. You can grab one of the Tide. If you grab the pods, for example, there is a $3 digital coupon. So this is the scenario I'm gonna do. Total for these products is $28.97. We're over $25, so we're good to go. That will trigger the $8 extra buck to print at checkout. Now we have $6 in digital coupons. Make sure you have the cashier scan the barcode on the Coupons 24 app, so this digital coupon comes off at checkout. You'll pay $22.97 out of pocket, earn back the $8 extra buck, makes your final cost $14.97 for all 3 products, or about $4.99 a piece. It's almost a 50% savings, which is an amazing deal. Okay, we're back in from CVS. There was a deal that I was planning on doing for the Dove men's deodorant, but it had to be the FIFA versions, and my store only had the FIFA versions for the whole body deodorant, which didn't wind up being as good of a deal in my opinion. So I switched up the $16 challenge to what you saw in the video, and I will make sure that that breakdown is updated for you guys below in the description. So that way you can print it, take it to the store with you, and do the exact deals, follow the transactions step by step. So I did 4 transactions. I did them a little bit differently because, again, like I always tell you guys, I tell my members in my Debt Free with Digital Coupons Club the same thing. Make sure you're only doing deals on products that you actually need. That way you're not just throwing money down the drain or chasing deals, right? The point of couponing is to do something with it. It's to make you more financially free. So you're either using the savings, put it towards your emergency fund, or use the savings, make it as a micro debt payment towards your debt. So my first transaction is the same as the $16 challenge. So I grabbed all the products. Here's all the digital coupons coming off. I had a little bit of extra bucks to use, like 30 cents worth. Paid $20, including taxes, out of pocket. I did have a gift card that I used for some of it, so I only paid $13.96 out of pocket for this one. Then I submitted over to Ibotta, got $2.05 cash back. I also submitted to Fetch Rewards and got some points for the Colgate and for the degree. And then that's it on that. Okay, my second transaction, I did the Nivea and the CoverGirl. Here's all the extra bucks I just earned that I'm using. Here's the digital coupons coming off. I used a gift card again, so it didn't cost me anything out of pocket. You would have paid $8.56 if you're doing the exact same thing that I did. Then I submitted over to Swagbucks for $2 back. It's pending because it's a coupon reimbursement, so that'll hit my account within like a day or two. And I submitted over to Checkout 51 for $4 back. So that's a total of $6 cash back on this transaction. My next transaction I did was the spend 25, get 8, because I need those Pampers Splashers for my son. Come on, focus, thank you. I also grabbed the 2 Swiffer products, again, products I need. It's the Swiffer Duster and the Mop refills. They're $10.99 each on sale, and we have a 10 off 2 digital coupon. Amazing. So they're pretty much buy one, get one free. I thought it was a really good deal, especially compared to pricing at Walmart, so I grabbed it. I used a gift card to cover this, and then I used my extra bucks that I had just earned as well. And then you can submit this one to the P&G rewards program as well, which is nice. My last transaction, I found a random CVS money card in my wallet today. No idea where it came from. I didn't even know how much was on it, so he had to like manually type it in and figure it out. It had $26 on it, so I used that. And then I grabbed some diapers, used the extra buck, used the digital coupon, would have paid $11 out of pocket for 2 bags of diapers. I used that random money card that I found though, so it didn't cost me anything out of pocket, and I did get back the extra back. The final step, if you are serious about paying off your debt, this is what we're doing in my club. You have to track your spending. It will take you 30 seconds when you get done with the store. So let's head home. I'll show you the spreadsheet that I use. It's super easy. I'll link it for you guys if you need one. Or you can spend a couple hours, build your own. You could buy some online, whatever you want to do. If you don't want to use mine, just make sure that you're tracking your spending. So I'm going to walk you through step by step the only 3 things that you need to actually be tracking and how to do it so we can see what our actual cost is today. So we're back home from CVS. I have my digital budget spreadsheet pulled up. Over here on the left is where you're going to put in your monthly transactions. And then over here in the middle is where you're going to do all of your coupon trips. It's a separate budget that I specifically built into this because none of the other spreadsheets that I found actually offered something for people who are couponing and wanting to save more money. So what we're going to do is 1 line per receipt. We did 4 transactions today, so we're doing 4 lines. Still going to take us about 60 seconds. So we're going to put in the date. We're going to put in the store. Sale price is going to be the price of all the products when they're on sale. So my first transaction total was $33.63, sorry. Paid out of pocket on that one. How much did you swipe your card for? After extra bucks, after everything, after gift cards, whatever, I paid $13.96 on my credit card, okay? Cashback I earned on that one, $2.05. My next transaction was $28.56 in product value, and I didn't pay anything out of pocket, got $6 cash back. My next one, I did the spend 25 deal, and I did the Swiffer, Total product value was, hold on, let me actually add that up because it was $28.97 plus $10.99 plus $10.99. $50.95. So we'll do $50.95 and paid out of pocket $0 and no cash back on that one. And my last transaction was the Huggies, which are on sale 2 for $22. So sale price, $22. Paid out of pocket, nothing. Oh. And no cash back.